What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that gets every car enthusiast's heart racing: widebody kits. But we're not just talking about any kits. We're looking into the future, speculating on the incredible transformations we can expect for the supercars of 2026. The world of automotive modification is always evolving, and tuners are constantly pushing the boundaries of design and performance. So, buckle up as we explore the craziest, most aggressive, and most beautiful wide-body concepts that could redefine the next generation of speed. First up, let's talk about a name that's synonymous with insane wide-body creations: Liberty Walk. We all know their signature fender flares and slammed stances. Now, imagine what they could do with a hypothetical 2026 Ferrari hybrid. We're picturing a design that takes Ferrari's sleek, aerodynamic lines and adds a raw, almost rebellious edge. Think exposed rivets, ultra-wide fenders that barely contain massive custom wheels, and a front splitter so aggressive it looks like it could slice through the air. The rear would feature a gigantic swan-neck wing, perfectly complementing a new, much wider diffuser. It wouldn't just be a car, it would be a statement piece, blending Italian elegance with Japanese tuner aggression. The sound of that hybrid V12, amplified by a custom exhaust, would be absolutely legendary. Next, let's turn our attention to the German powerhouse, Porsche, and a potential 2026 911 GT3. How do you improve on near perfection? Well, tuners like RWB have shown us the way with their classic air-cooled builds. But for a futuristic GT3, we need something even more extreme. Imagine a kit from a company like Mansory, known for their lavish use of carbon fiber. This wouldn't just be about adding width, it would be a complete aerodynamic overhaul. We're talking about integrated carbon fiber canards, vented front fenders that channel air away from the brakes, and side skirts that look like they were carved by the wind itself. The rear would be dominated by a multi-layered wing and a diffuser complex that generates immense downforce. The whole car would be a symphony of exposed carbon weave and deep lustrous paint, making the already potent GT3 look like it belongs on the starting grid at Le Mans. Now, what about the world of American muscle? The Corvette has evolved into a true mid-engine supercar, and by 2026, we can only imagine how incredible the Z06 or Z01 variants will be. So, let's envision a wide-body kit from a specialist like Street Hunter Designs. They're known for their clean, well-integrated kits that enhance a car's natural lines. For a future Corvette, this would mean a more muscular, sculpted look. The fenders would flare out smoothly, seamlessly blending into the bodywork. The front bumper would feature larger air intakes to feed the beastly V8, while the side profile would be accentuated by new, lower side skirts. At the back, a ducktail spoiler integrated into a wider rear deck would give it a classic meets modern vibe. It would be less about raw aggression and more about refined power, making the Corvette look even more exotic and purposeful on the road. Let's not forget the Japanese icons. The Nissan GT-R, Godzilla itself, is due for a new generation. By 2026, we might see the R36 on the streets. And you know what that means? The aftermarket will go wild. A tuner like Veris, famous for their Temerario builds, would have a field day. Imagine a full carbon fiber body kit for the R36 GT-R. That's all about function. Every single element would be wind tunnel tested. We're talking about a massive front splitter with support rods, heavily vented hood to extract heat, and fenders so wide they create their own weather system. The side skirts would feature intricate fins to manage airflow along the car's body, and the rear would be pure motorsport insanity. A towering double-decker GT wing and a diffuser with aggressive strakes would leave no doubt about this car's mission to destroy lap records. It would be the ultimate expression of the GT-R's performance-first philosophy. Of course, we have to talk about Lamborghini. Successor to the Huracan, perhaps a new V10 or hybrid model, would be a prime candidate for a wild transformation. And who better to do it than Novitec? They are masters of enhancing supercars without losing their original DNA. For a new baby, Novitec would likely develop a kit in their signature style. Understated but incredibly effective. We're thinking of carbon fiber additions that perfectly complement the factory's hexagonal design language. Wider, yet elegant, fender extensions, a more pronounced front lip, and subtle side skirt fins. Their Unlargo series is famous for this, creating a car that looks like it could have, and maybe should have, come from the factory that way. It's the kind of wide body that screams OEM plus, adding muscle and presence while maintaining a level of sophistication that befits the Lamborghini badge. The stance would be perfect, lowered on custom springs and sitting on gorgeous forged wheels. Let's shift gears to the British contenders. Aston Martin is on a roll with their new designs. Imagine a 2026 Vantage, already a beautiful car, getting the wide-body treatment. A company like 1016 Industries, known for their 3D printed carbon fiber kits, could create something truly special. Their approach is often about creating flowing, organic shapes. For the Vantage, this would mean extending the fenders in a way that accentuates its classic Grand Tourer proportions, but with a modern, aggressive twist. The kit would likely feature a new front fascia with a larger, more menacing grille opening, and a long-tail-style rear end with an integrated spoiler. It would be a beautiful marriage of British elegance and American tuning innovation, making the already striking Vantage an absolute showstopper. The result would be a car that looks fast even when it's standing still, a true work of automotive art. But what about the hypercar realm? By 2026, cars like the McLaren Artura or its successors will be pushing technological boundaries. How do you modify a car that's already at the pinnacle of engineering? You turn to specialists like Rift, who are known for their exotic materials and insane exhaust systems. A wide-body kit for a future McLaren wouldn't just be about looks, it would be about lightweight performance. Imagine a full-body replacement made from forged carbon or even titanium-infused composites. The design would be inspired by McLaren's own Senna GTR, with extreme aerodynamic elements. We're talking about dive planes, a roof scoop feeding air directly into the engine, and a dynamic rear wing that adjusts on the fly. Paired with one of their signature exhausts, the car would not only look like a spaceship, but sound like one too. It would be the ultimate expression of track-focused performance for the road. As we look ahead, it's clear that the future of wide-body kits is more exciting than ever. With advancements in materials like 3D printed carbon and design tools that allow for incredible precision, tuners will be able to create kits that are lighter, stronger, and more aerodynamically efficient than ever before. These won't just be cosmetic additions, they will be integral performance upgrades that transform these 2026 supercars into something truly unique and personal. It's this creativity and passion that keeps the car scene so vibrant. It's about taking something amazing and asking, how can we make it even crazier? And we can't wait to see what they come up with. So, what do you think? Which 2026 supercar are you most excited to see get a wide-body makeover? And which tuning company would you want to see do it? Drop your dream combinations in the comments below. I'd love to read your ideas. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.